Hey guys, it's Dave, and did you know that there are some foods that you absolutely don't want to keep in the fridge? I'm going to talk about a few of those right now and why you don't want to keep these foods in your refrigerator. Well, the first one is butter, and although it contains milk, butter can and should sit on the counter for a couple of days. You know, it actually makes it easier to spread on bread and on other things, but you really shouldn't keep your butter in the fridge. Keep it on the counter at room temperature. You'll be just fine. Melons. Uncut melons with rough skin, watermelon, and cantaloupe need to be left out to properly ripen. You bring these home from the grocery store or the farmer's market. They're a little bit green. They haven't ripened all the way yet. You put them in the fridge and they're going to slow that ripening process down. Keep them on the counter. It'll also add a lovely aroma into your kitchen. Tomatoes get better at room temperature. Boy, there's nothing better than picking up a whole tomato and biting into it, especially when it's at room temperature. One of my favorite things to do. And last but not least, bread. Bread in the refrigerator will dry out. It will become stale faster. You know, when I was a kid, I was always scraping the green stuff off the bread because Mom kept it in the refrigerator. Little did we know we shouldn't have done that. Probably on the counter was the best thing in a bread basket. So there you have it. Don't keep some of these foods in the fridge and you're going to be better off. That, my friends, is your daily dose.